Barkeep, 2 whiskeys.
See that sign? Around these parts, Free Grazers is a first.
Now, he asked you twice. Ain't gonna ask again.
Hey, Bill. It's all right. These are the fellas that saved my dog.
I couldn't serve him if they saved Jesus himself. Mr. Baxter'd have my job.
Baxter the owner?
That's right.
Give me a bottle, I'll serve him myself.
You know I can't do that.
Now we'll have our drinks.
Will you have me another?
Well, looks like the rain's let up a bit.
Well, if it don't, there'll be trout fishing right on Main Street.
I'd like you to meet my boys. Ray, Murray. We run a freight outfit when the weather cooperates.
Boss Spearman, and marksman here is Charlie Waite.
Is all that true? What you said in the cafe?
Yeah. This kid over at Doc's house was put on death's doorstep by Baxter. Doc's wife's caring for him until he comes back after the storm.
Doc's wife?
Yeah, Miss Barlow.
You mean Sue?
That's right.
Well, she makes somebody a fine wife, but she ain't the Doc's. That's his sister.
Your sister?
And his wife.
Evening, Mac.
Ralph?
Ray, Corey. Whiskey.
This is Ralph Peterson. He runs a general store. That's where I was when the dog got free.
Oh, you fellas the free grazers, I expect. No offense. Personally, I don't stand with others around here about free grazers.
There was a fight in your store about a week or so back. Some of Baxter's men jumped our friend. He was a big fella.
Yeah, saw the whole thing. That big fella drove the hell out of them other 3. Broke one's arm.
Be a gun hand named Butler, would it?
That's what they say. Felt bad about your friend. Is he all right?
He's dead.
It's too bad. Seemed like a nice young feller.
Shame what this town has come to.
You could do something about it.
What? We're freighters. Ralph here's a shopkeeper.
You're men, ain't you?
I didn't raise my boys just to see him killed.
Well, you may not know this, but there's things that gnaw at a man worse than dying.